I'm gonna start by adding some tomatoes to the bottom of our pan, and then I'm gonna take some eggs over here. So I'm just gonna start pouring this all on top of our tomatoes in our little pan over here. So we can place our tortilla wrap on top, press it in a little bit. All right, our eggs look like they're about to be ready to be flipped. So I'm gonna go ahead and place our cutting board on top and flip that over. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Now I'm gonna slide this back onto here because now we're just gonna put some cheese on there. I got a nice cheese blend here. And in the meantime, I'm gonna take some chopped baby spinach and just kind of sprinkle that all over. And then I've got half of an avocado here. I'm just gonna use my spoon to take it out. Put that over here, and we'll need to flip it over on this side, like so. We'll cut into this. I'm just gonna cut it right down the middle for now. Look at that.
Rollitos de jamón y queso, prácticos, fáciles y deliciosos. Unta mayonesa en 3 capas de jamón para que funcione como pegamento. Añade pimienta y orégano. Coloca queso sobre cada loncha, un poco más de orégano, mayonesa y enrolla. Pasa los rollitos por harina, luego por huevo batido y finalmente por pan rallado. Fríe en aceite caliente hasta dorar. Prácticos, fáciles y deliciosos.
Potato and egg pancakes. Potatoes, carrots, scallions, salt. 2 eggs, 1 spoonful of flour. Stir evenly. Brushing oil. Add potato and egg mixture. Fry over medium heat until golden brown on both sides. Thanks for your like and follow.